Do you want to walk in Chakrasana? Let's do it. So first you go into Chakrasana, you lift up here. You make a small Chakrasana, but not very small. Now when you're here, you take your right foot forward, then take your left palm forward. Same way, left foot forward, right palm forward, right foot forward, left palm forward, left foot forward, right palm forward. Okay, opposite. Now let's start on the back side. Right palm back, left foot back, left palm back, right foot back, right palm back, left foot back, left palm back, right foot back. In this way, you can learn how to walk in Chakrasana.